This is Director of National Intelligence right here that I'm calling. So you see the number 703-733-8600. Now this one, watch what happens.
The number you have dialed is not in service. Please contact the operator for assistance.
The number you dialed is not in service. Now that might be true. That one might be legit. So we're gonna look it up. Director of National Intelligence phone number 703-733-8600. Now, is that a working number? I'm going to call from another number, which I know a place to go to see if that's a working number later, that the FBI, corrupted FBI, doesn't have blocked, maybe. Or the corrupted law enforcement, whoever's framing me, doesn't have blocked. Maybe that is a block. Maybe that one is a blocked number. But I highly, highly doubt it. Director of National Intelligence, even from the AI, 703-733-8600. So that's the number that's supposed to be. Do they have that blocked as a disconnected number?
You have reached the office of the Inspector General of the Intelligence Community. Please listen carefully to the
So we're going to see if they have national intelligence still blocked. And remember, they blocked this by blocking me from hitting 1 to leave the voicemail.
For allegations of a violation of law, fraud, waste, and or abuse in connection with the Intelligence Community Program, press 1 for the Inspector General of the
They had it blocked yesterday. Ooh, you hear that noise change? You hear that clicking change? That's them clicking out. Clicking out of listening to these calls illegally and falsely. See how it rings and goes to a busy tone? So let me explain. They blocked. I called 2 nights ago, and I called Director of National Intelligence, reported some of this situation, reported these hidden capabilities, hidden tactics, reported me being framed, and a few other things, and it worked just fine. I left about 4 voicemails. Then I called the next morning when I woke up, which was yesterday morning, and that was around 11:30 to 12, and the number worked. Okay, so the number works just fine. Well, then I called after I left St. Louis, and then I called before I left St. Louis FBI, or it was blocked. I'm sorry, it was blocked then. It was blocked then. My apologies. And then I called again before I headed to corrupted St. Louis FBI yesterday around 5:30, give or take, 45 minutes. I think it was actually about 6 o'clock, 6:30 when I got there, give or take. Now, when I called, it worked just fine. It worked just fine again. Then I told National Intelligence I was headed to corrupted St. Louis FBI, and I would call them back while I was there. Why I called them back after, because I needed both of my phones to record and to show evidence of proof I'm being framed. So I called yesterday and left that voicemail, maybe another one. Then when I got to St. Louis FBI, I recorded everything, and then I called National Intelligence again, and guess what? National Intelligence is a block number again. Was a block number again, and they still haven't unblocked it. And that's what they've done. And FBI, National Intelligence's oversight over the intelligence communities, whether it be NSA framing me for the FBI, or the corrupted FBI or corrupted NSA directly framing me, or we're using these gang stalking programs. We'll see, and we're gonna get to the bottom. I'm gonna get to the bottom of this one way or another.